Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw an owl. That's right, we're going to draw a cute owl. This owl will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the owl's beak, followed by the owl's eyes. Each of the owl's eyes are like large ovals. An oval is a rounded shape that appears to be stretched out. It's almost like an egg shape. I will outline each eye with a larger oval. It is okay if the oval isn't perfect because eyes can come in all shapes and sizes. Next, we will draw the owl's pupil. I'm going to color in black circles inside each of the ovals. Next, I will draw in the feathers on top of its eyes. You can make the feathers larger, smaller, or super tiny if you like. Have fun with your drawing by stretching out your imagination. After the feathers, we will start drawing in the owl's body. Next, we will draw in its wings. I will also draw in a line to show where its belly is. Let's not forget to draw in the feet as well. Of course, we can't forget the owl's tail. You can also add in eyebrows to help the owl better express its feelings. You can make it happy, sad, or even surprised. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Isn't it so cute already? I like to gather all the colors I plan on using first. This gives me a better idea of the color combos that I will use for my drawing. Feel free to change up the colors. You may even choose to have a rainbow owl. Wouldn't that be so cool? Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Next, I will use my blue to color in some of the feathers on its head. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your owl. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your owl's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Next, I will use my orange color for the beak, feet, and the ovals around its eyes. It looks so awesome. Wow, look at our amazing little owl. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as some playroom or a park. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of owls in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the owl. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.